Let's explore how to convert a string to a JSON object. This is a common task in programming, especially when dealing with data received from APIs or stored in files. Look at how to do this using Python and JavaScript, two popular programming languages. Understanding JSON. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's easy for humans to read and write, and also easy for machines to parse and generate. Think of it as a structured way to represent data, much like a dictionary or an array. Valid JSON string will always have curly braces for objects or square brackets for arrays, with key value pairs separated by colons and commas. Python. Python offers the JSON library for handling JSON data. To convert a string to a JSON object, you first need to ensure the string is valid JSON. Then use the JSON.loads find function. This function takes the JSON string as input and returns a Python dictionary for objects or list for arrays. For example, import JSON. JSON string equals phone name, John Doe, age, 30, JSON data equals JSON.loads JSON string, print a JSON data name. This will print John Doe. Error handling is crucial. If the input string is not valid, JSON.loads will raise a JSON decode error, so you should wrap it in a try-except block to handle potential errors gracefully. JavaScript. In JavaScript, it's even simpler. The built-in JSON.parse method does the job. Similar to Python, you provide the JSON string, and it returns a JavaScript object or array. Example, let JSON string equal our name, Jane Doe, city, New York. Let JSON data equal JSON, parse JSON string, console.log JSON data.name. This will print Jane Doe to the console. Like Python, JavaScript will throw an error if the JSON is invalid. Use a try-catch block for robust error handling. Try, let JSON data equals JSON, parse JSON string, catch error, console.error, invalid JSON, error, bad. Important considerations. Always validate your JSON string before attempting to parse it to prevent errors. Tools and libraries exist to check the validity of JSON, though often the loads or parse switch functions will throw an error if the JSON is malformed, providing an error message you can handle. Remember that the string must strictly adhere to JSON syntax. Correct punctuation, quotation marks, etc. are essential. If your data isn't already a valid JSON string, perhaps it needs escaping or special characters handled, you might need pre-processing steps before using JSON.loads or JSON parse. In summary, converting a string to a JSON object involves using the appropriate library or built-in function, JSON.loads, in Python, JSON.parse, in JavaScript. Always handle potential errors and ensure the string conforms to valid JSON syntax for successful conversion. Both Python and JavaScript provide efficient and straightforward methods for this common data manipulation task, and proper error handling makes your code more robust.